Alright, so we're going to skip around a little. We're going to skip D, E, and F, and we're going to go right to G. And we're going to do these last four before we go and do these middle three, just because it'll be a little easier explanation-wise. Okay, so what would cause, in a supply and demand model, the price of surfboards to decrease and the quantity produced in exchange of surfboards to increase? Well, the thing that will do that is an increase in supply. So if we go from the green supply to the red supply, we will have price decrease. So this will be P2. And then we will have quantity increase, Q2. So this happens, you get this answer when supply goes up. So what makes supply go up? Well, the first thing is if inputs are cheaper. So let's say that for a surfboard you need a lot of foam, you need fiberglass, you need fins, everything that goes into making the surfboard. If those become cheaper, it will be cheaper to make surfboards, and so people will make more of them. So the second thing is a technological improvement. So technological I'm just going to write technological going up. So technological improvement. So that would be like if it becomes easier now to make surfboards. So let's say that now when surfboards used to be made by hand, now they're all made by machines. So that would make it easier to make surfboards, so it would be cheaper to make surfboards, and so people will make more of them. And then the third thing is if for some reason there become a lot more producers making surfboards. So producers going up. And so in a competitive equilibrium, this won't happen. But say that, like, for example, there's, I don't know, let's say Australia just gets blown off the face of the earth, that it just like sinks back into the sea. Well, then there would be a lot of Australian surfers that might come to the United States, and so there might be a lot of surfboard makers that would come to the United States, and so supply would increase. So, crazy example, you won't see this one a lot really, but just so that you get an idea of the ways that supply can increase, these are the three main ways. And there are other ways too, but these are kind of the three big ones. So that's all that we're going to do in this video, and in the next one we'll go over H and then I, and then we'll come back to these middle three, because the uncertainty in the middle right here is what makes it difficult. Alright, see you